Hi children, how are you all? All are fine. Very good children. Welcome back to our maths class. Okay, the last all classes, many classes we have discussed about division, isn't it? Division I feel all of you clear very well. Division fact, divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Then multiplication fact, how to divide using multiplication tables, long division, 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit numbers, verification, everything you have cleared very well, isn't it? Yes, children, very good. And also, I hope all have practiced well, isn't it? Yes. Okay, children. So today we are going to discuss lesson 2, fractions. Okay, already online class we have discussed this same lesson 2 fractions, isn't it? Fractions, what are fractions? Numerator, denominator, comparison of fractions, okay, addition and subtraction of fractions, everything we have discussed once in our online class. Okay, then once again, I'll explain all these points. Okay, what are fractions? The parts of a whole are called fractions. The part of a whole. Okay, the parts of a whole are called fractions. A fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. Some children don't know the spelling of numerator and denominator. The pronunciation also they don't know. Okay, so write and study the words numerator and denominator and correct pronunciation also corrected. Okay, so numerator and denominator are the two parts of a fraction. The upper part is called a numerator and the lower part is called a denominator. Okay, so listen here, 5 by 12, 5 by 12, okay, 5 is called a numerator and 12 is called a denominator. Five is called a numerator and 12 is called a denominator. Okay, children. Then 10 by 15. 10 by 15, what is the numerator? Yes, numerator is 10 and 15 is denominator. Okay, numerator 10 and 15 is called the denominator. Okay, children, so you know what is numerator and denominator of a fraction. Okay, next how to find the fractional part of a whole. Okay, listen, how to find the fractional part of a whole. For example, find 1 by 2 of 10. This is the fractional part, this is the whole number. So, we have to find the fractional part of a whole. So, that is 1 by 2 of 10. Okay, of means multiplication. That means 1 by 2 into 10. 1 by 2 into 10. So, 1 by 2 into 10 means this is the numerator of this fraction into whole number. 1 into 10 divided by 2. 1 into 10 divided by 2. Okay, 1 into 10 we know 10. 10 by 2. 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is a fraction. But here we can divide and find the answer. 10 by 2 we can write the division fact as 10 divided by 2. 10 by 2, this is the division fact, 10 divided by 2. Okay, from the multiplication table of 2, we know 10 divided by 2 equal, which number? 10 divided by 2 equal, 2 into which number equal 10? Children, already we know how to find the quotient using multiplication tables or how to divide using multiplication tables, isn't it? So, from the multiplication table of 2, what is the answer? 10 divided by 2 equal. Okay, we know 2 into 5 equal 10. 2 into 5 equal 10. So, the answer is 5. Okay, so that answer is 5. This way we can find out the fractional part of a whole. Fractional part of a whole. Okay, children? Yes. Another example. 2 by 5 of 15. 2 by 5 of 15. Okay, that is equal 2 by 5 into 15, that's equal 2 into 15 by 5. 2 into 15 is 30, 30 by 5. Okay, write the division fact. 30 divided by 5. From the multiplication table of 5, we can find out 30 divided by 5. That means 5 into which number equal? 30? Yes, 5 into 6 equal 30. So the answer is 6. Okay, children? Yes. This way we can find out the fractional part of a whole. Clear all of you? Yes. Next is comparison of fractions. Okay, already we discussed the comparison of fractions also in our online class, isn't it? Okay, comparison of fractions, two cases are there. Okay, to compare two fractions, first case, denominators are same. If the denominators are same, compare the numerators. Okay, compare the numerators means which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Second case, numerators are same. If the numerators are same, we have to compare the denominators. Which denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater. Okay, to compare the numerator, which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. When we compare the denominators, which denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater. Okay, let's compare some fractions. Okay, listen carefully, children. Okay, children, these are the questions. A question, compare using greater than or less than sign. Children, when we put this sign, which side is greater, open the sign to that side. Okay, that means this is the greater side and this is the smaller side. This is greater than and this is less than. Okay, right hand, this sign is greater than, and left hand, the sign is less than. Okay, then first question, 7 by 10, 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. First you have to check which side is same, denominator or numerators are same. Okay, here denominators are same, so we have to check the numerators. In numerator, greater numerator is the greater fraction. Okay, so 7 and 9, which is greater? 9 is greater than 7. So 9 by 10 is greater. So the sign open to 9 by 10. Okay, that means 7 by 10 less than 9 by 10. Okay, then second question, 8 by 15 and 8 by 20. Here numerators are same. Numerators are same. In this case, we have to compare the denominator. In denominator, which denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater. Here 15 and 20 are the denominators. 15 is less than 20. So 8 by 15 is the greater fraction. The sign open to 8 by 15 or 8 by 15 greater than 8 by 20. Third one, 12 by 25 dash 7 by 25. Here denominators are same, so we have to compare the numerators. Which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. So here 12 and 7. 12 is greater than 7. So 12 by 25 is greater than 7 by 25. Last one, 15 by 16 dash 15 by 40. Here the numerators are same, compare the denominators. 14 less than 16. So 15 by 14 is the greater fraction. So 15 by 16 less than 15 by 14. Okay, this way we can compare two fractions. Okay, children. Children, next we are going to learn addition and subtraction of fraction. Very simple. Okay, addition and subtraction. Children, here first one, 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11. Addition of fractions. Because in between plus sign. 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11. Okay. Children, addition of fractions means add the numerator divided by same denominator. Denominator no need to add or subtract. Okay, same denominator. Okay, children. while you are doing addition or subtraction of fractions, don't directly write the answer. Okay, with the step you have to write the answer. Step means, children, first you have to show addition of numerator here. Equal 2 plus 5 divided by 11. This is the next step. 2 plus 5 divided by 11. Then write the answer. We know what is 2 plus 5? 7. 7 by 11 is the answer. Okay, don't write directly the answer. 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 equals 7 by 11. Don't write like that. We'll get only half mark if it is 1 mark question. Okay, with a step like this and complete the answer. Okay, children? Yes. Second question. 9 by 15 plus 2 by 15 plus 1 by 15. Okay, 3 fractions are there. Add. Don't worry, add the numerators divided by same denominator. 1 denominator same. Okay, that means 9 plus 2 plus 1 by 15. This step is very important. 9 plus 2 plus 1 by 15. Then add. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 by 15. 12 by 15. Okay, children. Third one, 17 by 20 minus 5 by 20. Subtraction. Okay, here also subtract the numerators. Okay, 17 minus 5 divided by 20. Same method. Subtract. That is equal 17 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2, 1 write down. 12. The answer is 12 by 20. 12 by 20. The last answer question. Subtract 9 by 15 from 12 by 15. Okay. In this question, which fraction have to write first? 9 by 15 or 12 by 15? Still some have doubt about this question. Children, subtraction after from which number comes fraction, whole number, anything. Which number comes after from, that is the first number. Okay, children. So here is 12 by 15 minus 9 by 15. This is the question. Don't write 9 by 15 minus 12 by 15. Okay, that is 12 by 15 minus 9 by 15. So, as usual, 12 minus 9 by 15. Okay, what is 12 minus 9? After 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. 3 by 15 is the answer. Okay, children, this way we can add or subtract the fractions. Okay, children, so I hope all of you clear very well what are fractions, numerator, denominator, the fractional part of a whole, then comparison of fractions and addition and subtraction of fractions very well, isn't it? Yes. So children, today this much enough. Practice very well. Okay. Many questions are there in the textbook. Okay, children, open the textbook. Then write and study. Practice all the questions in your rough book or notebook anywhere. Okay, children. Do yourself. Then check yourself. Okay. So, thank you, children. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.